Let's wind down the trading day then. A nice 87-point bump up on the index with the Sensex up about 270 points, although we've petered off from the high point of the trading day with sectors like infrastructure, energy, media as well as consumption and along with auto coming off. IT has remained very resilient in trade, and that's courtesy TCS. 3.5% on the IT index alone, as metals too have powered through. The Nifty bank, mind you, too, merits a mention, 140 points higher. Let's take it then to some of the smart movers on the frontline index and a long list of Nifty gainers, and that's really led the way by TCS. That stock, an absolute star in today's trading session, goes home with a smart gain, surpassing the 10 lakh crore mark, the second Indian company to do so. A smart surge in the market cap has sent the stock to 2709. 7.5% higher in trade. And there's fervor within the entire IT basket too. So Wipro in the green, following close on its heels is Infosys as well as Tech Mahindra. Tata Steel too in focus at 382, closing in about 5% higher. Sun Pharma matching up. You've got Hindalco, JSW Steel as well as IOC. IndusInd Bank, remember, was firing up in Thursday's trading session. Today, another 1% added. HDFC Life, HCL Technologies, ICICI Bank and HUL, some of the other movers. On the flip side though, Bajaj Finserv 3% lower. Shree Cements goes home with a 2.5% cut. Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Auto along with Adani Ports and ITC in the red. Well, apart from TCS, which has been a mover on the back of the buyback news as well as the market cap crossing the 10 lakh crore mark, there's also Angel Broking that's been a newsmaker today. Quite a damp squib in terms of its listing at about 275 versus an issue price significantly higher at about 306. You had some of the financials in focus. Remember, the RBI and the loan moratorium case has now said that it's been adjourned to the 13th of October, which means that banks still cannot declare new NPAs till then. Reliance Industries may have called off that proposed merger between Viacom 18 as well as Sony following that strategic rethink. Hindalco, you've got CLSA, which has a buy and a target price at 225, saying that it's an attractive entry point. Checking in on the broader universe then, it's very quiet for the mid-cap index, although the small-cap index has managed to move neck to neck with the frontliners, so up by about 0.6%. Let's take you through then some of the movers from the broader universe, and Himmat Singha rallies hard and fast. You've got Metropolis with a nice 8% move, GMDC in the green, Century Ply active, Suprajit, Trident, Jaycorp, Praj Industries a mover on the upside, Lotus Labs, Sobha, Tata Elxsi as well as something like Shopper Stop. Those have all been rather active in trade today. On the flip side though, some red coming in for Ipca Laboratories. Lakshmi Vilas Bank goes home with a cut today. You've got Page Industries, Affle India as well as ICICI Lombard, Info Edge, REC and something like DMart too that has been a little bit soft in today's trading session. Well, all in all, you had the Nifty that has managed to extend its gains for the third straight day on the trot, closing off the day's high though. The Nifty Bank as well exhibiting resilience, and you've got the small cap index which has gained about 0.5% from the low of the day.